TRAW stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Traws Pharma stock is just 160% now, which is not just, it's a lot, you know, that's a big number there. Before I get deeper, I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years. I've seen what has worked for me, what has not, and I've documented all of my videos, right? It's there on my YouTube channel. I've gotten thousands of great predictions. With TRAW, one candle up like this doesn't say a lot. And what says a lot is just that we also don't have that much data neither. Like, it only started trading from April, so this could be a big start of something huge. I'm not gonna like randomly buy though, so I know like it was cool and whatnot, but in order for me to buy, I want to see the price pull down, and then if it gives me a double break, then and only then this is going to be something that I will buy. But like if it doesn't, then it is what it is, man. Like it's not like I'm gonna start forcing trades or something like that. So what I will keep doing is I'll keep waiting. If you do want to make more money trading in a simple only way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.